One more BJP worker has been allegedly killed in West Bengal's Medinapur. That's the big breaking story coming in this evening. The party said that Gokul Chandra, a booth worker of the Bharatiya Janata Party, was attacked and killed in Bhagwanpur Assembly constituency. The BJP has accused TMC of killing its worker. However, the ruling Trinamool has rejected this charge, saying he died of a heart attack. So after you saw Dilip Ghosh's car being attacked, there is a BJP worker who is allegedly killed in West Bengal's Medinapur. Although the TMC holds that he's died of a heart attack, the BJP has gone ahead and said that he was attacked and killed in the Bhagwanpur Assembly constituency. So that is a big and a very grave charge that is coming in on the TMC as a BJP worker has died. The allegation is that he's been killed in Medinapur, but the TMC going on to deny any kind of killing and this particular charge that is coming their way, saying that he died of a heart attack. Of course, this is coming in after we got you that particular story of how Dilip Ghosh's convoy was attacked as well. This is blood politics playing out in West Bengal right there. Another BJP worker attacked. The BJP is going on to say that BJP party worker has been attacked and killed in the state of West Bengal. Remember, we just got you that story of how Dilip Ghosh's motorcade was attacked as well, and he was attacked along with other party leaders who were traveling with him. Indrajit is joining us. Indrajit, what is going on in West Bengal? This is blood politics playing out. On one side, you've got Dilip Ghosh's car that was attacked. On the other side, one BJP worker has been found dead. The BJP alleging that he was killed. The TMC, of course, going on to deny this charge. What is happening on ground?
Well, I spoke to Trinamool Congress spokesperson, veteran Trinamool Congress leader Saugata Roy, exactly about this charge that the law and order situation was in question. Yesterday, the Prime Minister, while speaking at the BJP headquarters, did talk about politics of violence here in West Bengal. The Trinamool Congress, of course, has refuted all these charges. They are saying that, law and order is completely in control, but this is nothing but a propaganda campaign, a narrative that the BJP is trying to set here in West Bengal. And it is Dilip Ghosh who is, in fact, making provocative statements each and every day and therefore raking up violence. We are, in fact, outside the BJP party office, and shortly from now, we are told that BJP Yuva Morcha leader and BJP MP Soumitra Khan will be leading a protest out here, will be demonstrating. There will be a flash protest against the kind of stone pelting that happened on Dilip Ghosh's convoy in North Bengal in Alipurduar earlier in the day. Back to you.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us, Indrajit. We'll keep coming back to you, get some political phoners and some reactions that are coming in as well. The attacker is yet to be identified as of now, but that's the latest coming in. Moving on now.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.